Hello inventors, welcome to Vienna Tech, your DIY partner. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY power bank at home, with some old salvaged laptop batteries. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay tuned with us. First of all, we need to salvage some laptop battery cells from one or more old laptop batteries. Check the batteries and make sure they have decent voltage left. You can use up to 6 batteries connected parallelly for this project. Just make sure to charge each battery to the full capacity before connecting them together. You can use any DC power supply with a voltage of 4 to 5 volts to do so. When fully charged, a good battery will hold like 4.1 volts. Now, we have to solder 2 wires to the positive and negative terminals of the connected batteries. I used my soldering iron to do this. Well, here comes the most important part of this video. To use the power from these batteries, we need to have a separate module specially designed for these kind of purposes. The good news is, these things are very easy to find either online or at your local electronics shops at a decent price. If you decided to buy it online, just go to any one of the websites like eBay, Amazon, or AliExpress. In the search box, type power bank module and you will see there are tons of results popping up. Now take your time and do some research about these modules before buying. I will give you some tips here. First, look for the output capacity. You may opt for the ones that can give like 2 amperes. It will help charge your mobile devices at a decent speed. The other thing is, read some customer reviews about the product before buying, so that you will not be facing any difficulties with the ones you purchased. I have already bought 2 of these modules, a simple module and another one with a nice 7-segment LED display. Choose the ones you want and fits your budgets. If you are watching this video from Sri Lanka, here's another website called daras.lk that offers similar and more affordable options. And of course, feel free to do your own research, and find out what are the places that sells these kind of things at your residential areas. Alright, let's get back to the video. Now we have our modules, we just have to connect those properly to the batteries we assembled. Each of these modules are having 2 separate spots to connect the battery positive and negative. Since they are marked clearly, you will not miss anything. Now carefully solder the 2 wires from the battery, without swapping the polarity, or you might damage the chip on board. You can see here, my module just powered up as soon as I connected the wires. If yours did not, don't worry, there is another way to power it up, which I will show you in a minute. In these modules, there is a reset button on any one of the sides. Just press and hold it for a few seconds. You will see the lights coming up, which means all okay for now. Now it is time to do the testing. Connect your mobile device with a USB charging cable to any one of the USB ports available on the module. If you have done all the things properly, your device will start charging like this. And we are not done yet. We need to see if the module is able to charge the batteries we connected to it. Just get any mobile charger with a matching port. Mine here is a micro USB. Connect it to the module and plug it to your mains power. As you can see here, my module is indicating it is charging the batteries. You may need to do these two testing steps a couple of times in order to check the functionality of the module. After a couple of testing rounds, I could see both of the modules I bought are working as desired. Here comes the interesting part of this project. To make our DIY project looks neat, we need to build a case for the assembly. For this one, I have used parts from an old power bank which I had salvaged earlier. And as you saw in the beginning of the video, I have made two power banks for this project. For the second one, I used a module with LED display. And for its casing I just used the laptop battery cover itself, and some pieces of plastic I cut from an old DVD disc casing. Of course you can use your own creativity and ideas to make a casing for the project, in order for it to look more professional. And we have come to the end of our DIY project. If you have any questions about the project, please let me know in the comment section. I would be happy to help. And please like, comment and share the video if you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.